Top 5 Gobi tourist attractions in Mongolia.
First of all, let's look at these places with a drone.
Surag, colorful limestone formation. Once was the ocean bed where the visitors find marine fossils and clamshells. Its colors are outstanding early morning and evening. Yoliam. In Yoliam, tourists will discover permanent glaciers, rare plants, and animals such as bordered vultures, snow leopards, manual cat, beech marten, and Mongolian antelope. The scenery here is beautiful and this will make you think as if you are walking into a magical land. Outside petroglyphs, there are hundreds of ancient rock drawings, all of which were created by early settlers in Haftsat. Hongor sand dunes. Hongor dunes are the most important sand mass of Goguryeo National Park. It's one of the largest sandy areas of Mongolia. It's truly one of Mother Nature's wondrous creations. Flaming Cliffs. American explorer Roy Andrews found the first known fossil dinosaur eggs in Байнзаг. Алган улаан цав is the paleontological site where you will see dinosaur skeletons. Also, tourists can see the modern lifestyle here in the Gobi.